welcome back. My face mask club is here and it's in a new box, so I'm really intrigued to what's going on inside here, and I'm looking forward to showing you as well. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Now before we dive into this box, if you watch my videos regularly, I am recording this on the same day as my love Lula, so I'm still chesty. I'm still not feeling particularly great, and I do apologise. You can hear a humming in the background. I've got a small fan going just because I need a bit of air, and I've had to close the windows. People are gardening, so you know, it's nice they're gardening, it's just not nice that you'll hear all the noise. If you're new to me and this is the first video you're watching, unfortunately I have tested positive for COVID, so I have symptoms and I'm not particularly feeling too great today. I've got an absolute ton of makeup on and hair wax, so I've got 3 inches of foundation and lots of hair wax on just to make me feel a bit normal. Right, but now let's dive into this box. I absolutely love sheet masks, so I have a sheet mask subscription service, which is absolutely fabulous. This is from the Face Mask Club. Like I said, they've got a new box, so they've now got their logo printed on the front, which I absolutely love. Face Mask Club, this is really cool. I love it. I really do like this. It's letterbox size, so if you're out and about or if you're at work, you won't miss it because this should just land on your doormat, which is great. They are Korean sheet masks inside. I absolutely love K-Beauty. I love sheet masks. For me, this is a win-win box. I will put all the details in the description box below of how much I pay. But if you just wanted to try the service and not commit to a subscription, you can purchase either a one-off 5 mask box or a one-off 7 mask box, which I think is absolutely great. And I did that to start with. I just bought a one-off box, fell in love with that box and took out a subscription. So now I have a 7 mask subscription. Sorry, that was a bit long-winded and drawn out. But let's dive in. Oh, I like that. So this is new here as well. We've got something really nice and printed on the inside. Self-care is not selfish, and no, it is not. Self-care is so important, physically, and I think more so mentally. I think you need to take that time out for yourself every now and again. And it's always very well presented. Got a nice sticker here, pink tissue paper. I love this, it's very girly. And you get a note, and it says, "Hi Amy, let us know what you think of our new box." Absolutely love it. Yeah, we always kind of get, I've just picked one of them out, it's kind of like little confetti stars and things. It's so very well thought out. I do love this box. How many times am I going to say that in this video? Right, let's tear it open and we will see what masks we got inside here. We have lots of silver stars everywhere, so you are going to see them flying everywhere. Right. Oh, just gonna have a count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. We got 7 masks, which is absolutely fabulous. Give you a quick kind of sneaky peek. Kind of got a green theme going on today. Love Luda went kind of like green themed with their card. And I have noticed with these masks, there isn't an awful lot of English on the back, but you can download for the iPhone. It's Google Translate, and you just scan the back of the mask and it translates it for you and pulls up the English. But what I usually do is I normally go on the basis of a normal mask and just go 15 to 20 minutes, clean, cleansed, dry skin. I always pop my toner on and then go in with the mask. So there we go. Now the first one we have on the top is from the brand Beauty Idea Diary. And I think I got this one last month, I think. It's either last month or the month before. It's the Punica Moisturising Black Mask. I do like this brand, Beauty Idea Diary. I think they do a lavender mask, which is one of my favourites. I absolutely love it. And there we go on the back. There's not a lot of English with this one. But I do love, their packaging is always so quirky and fun. And there's mask number 1. Mask number 2 is from the brand Merry Youth, and it's the red ginseng mask. I've used quite a few masks from this brand because I bought a pack of them on Amazon last year. Absolutely love them, and there is one of these masks in my giveaway which is still running. I will link it in the cards above. Yeah, so I think it's the pearl one I put in the giveaway. Absolutely fabulous masks. We've got little faces on the back as well, and it tells you kind of how to pop them on, how long. Yeah, which is really cool. So that's number 2. Ooh. Number 3, I think it's from the black brand Apiu, and it's the Icing Sweet Bar Sheet Mask in the flavour or fragrance of melon. Look at that! It looks like an ice lolly. So cool. Like I said, their packaging is always amazing. It's so quirky and fun. And you've got your little faces on the back. I would like to have a bit of a research and just see what the benefits of melon on the face is. It just says for healthier looking skin, which is quite cool. I could do with some healthier looking skin. Oh, this is a new brand. It's from the brand Stelby. It says it's fragrance free, it's a final mask, and it's brightening. It's got niacinamide in it, which is quite cool. I like that. There we go. This is kind of cool packaging. Yeah, that is really cool. And then on the back, you've got all your faces and things. I do like a niacinamide mask, and I do like a brightening mask as well. Sometimes my skin can look quite dull and it just needs a shot of either vitamin C or kind of like niacinamide. Right, so mask number 5. Ooh, this is another new one. It's from the brand Mediheal, and it's the NATO Gum. Oh, sheet mask. There's really not a lot of English on here, but there's a lot of food. That looks really cool. I like that. I have used a mask from the brand Mediheal before. It was quite cool. On the back of the mask, it really went into detail on what the mask did with sort of like the different layers of the skin, which is quite cool. Then we've got faces. This sounds crackly and strange. Oh, so I'm interested as to see what this kind of mask is all about. I may have to feature this in a Mask Monday, I think. If you wanted to see any of these masks in a Mask Monday and see them in action, just drop me a comment down below and I can do that for you. I do one every Monday. Now, mask number 6 is from the brand S Plus Miracle, and it's the Aloe Essence Mask, or it could be LS Cosmetics. There's kind of 2 names on here. There we go. Aloe is absolutely fabulous for the skin. It's so soothing, it's calming, especially if you've been out in the sun a bit too long. Go home, shower, pop this on, after sun, you'll be fine. Or if you've got an aloe vera plant, but if you cut off the stem of an aloe vera plant, it really doesn't smell very nice. And then we got kind of like the faces on the back. You know, I used to regularly snip off my aloe vera stems and kind of pop it on my face, but it's just the smell. Not very nice at all. We've got stars everywhere. And the last one is from the brand JM Solution. It's the Active Jellyfish Vital Mask. It says a firming mask with jelly texture delivers moisture and nourishment for skin and firmness. That looks cool. Sorry, just kind of reflecting the light. A bright blue jellyfish on the front. I like that. We got stars everywhere too. The packaging is just amazing. I absolutely love it. And there we go. We've got some information on the back. This is really thick packaging. I like that. It's quite durable. So there we go. Bring back all the masks. We've got an absolute fabulous selection this month, which I'm really looking forward to trying. A lot of silver stars and a nice box. I think Face Mask Club, you hit the nail on the head with the box. It's absolutely fabulous. Well done. So, like I said during the video, if you wanted to see any of these masks featured in a Mask Monday, just drop me a comment down below and I will do that for you. There's kind of a couple I think I'm going to have to do as well. Jellyfish looks really intriguing. I think I'll have to go for that one as well. And the one with all the food on the front of it. That's always good. Like I said, my giveaway is still going. So make sure you're subscribed. I will link it in the cards above. Go and check it out. That'll be absolutely fabulous. So thank you for joining me again today. And I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye-bye.